Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake Ozarks. Back here in our rig center today, doing the final prep work to this boat before it hits the lot. Today I'm on a 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Alright, starting here at the back of the boat, you can see this nice lounge area back here with this rear facing lounger seat. Flip this back. So this is now facing backward. This does have the safety rail over here with fender holders and over here, so put the chain up across there and you're legal to ride back here while the boat's on and moving. Also, pull this out, lay it down in the flat position, make a big sun bed. Also, we'll note back here, you have a nice deep 4-rung ladder, 300 horsepower Merc, and you're going to have your ski bar here. Going to the cockpit, this is the single lounger model, so you have this nice L-shaped lounger through here. Pop this forward. A trash can and storage underneath these seats. We have cup holders in here with the USB right there. Alright, up here at the helm, see this has the Simrad Go 9 glass dash, as well as the JL audio upgrade with speakers and sub. Moving forward here is your subwoofer. Nice long benches in the front with a lot of storage underneath. And this one does also have the in-floor storage. Nice wide walkways, not only through the front of the boat, but also through the side of the boat, behind that box there, and in the back of the boat. Nice tall bimini to give you plenty of shade on the hottest days. Once again, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks. Have a great day.